Okay, starting with a magic loop. So this is my first square worked. I'm gonna insert my magic loop into the first square, which is this one, with a slip knot. So okay, I'm gonna turn my work facing me and making sure we hide this thread along. I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'm gonna slip stitch onto the beginning of the next square. Okay, and I will chain 3 again, and here I'm gonna work 3 double crochet. This is the foundation of my first square of the second color. Okay, turn, and I'm gonna chain 6. I'm gonna work 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next chain, and 1 double crochet in the next chain. Okay, so this is how my work is so far. I'm gonna slip stitch onto this chain 3 space, chain 3 again, and 3 double crochet in the space. Now we've got 1, 2, 3 squares. I'm gonna slip stitch into the end of this square, previous square, or the beginning of this square, whichever you like. Slip stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and join over here with a slip stitch again. Okay, and then I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, and 3 double crochet, and slip stitch onto the previous square. Chain 3, 3 double crochet, and join on top of the first square with a slip stitch, chain 3 again, and 3 double crochet, bringing up our next upper square. So here I have 1, 2, 3 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to do 3 more. So here again comes my 4th square by chaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 double crochet, second chain, another double crochet, third chain, another double crochet, and then joining onto the next square with a slip stitch again, chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the space as always. Okay, slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet, slip stitch again, chain 3, 3 double crochet, okay, and here again we'll join with a slip stitch onto the end of my square to start my next round of squares. Then okay, so this is my last round, and then again slip stitch at the end of the square again and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then 3 double crochet again in this chain 3 space, and then slip stitch onto the previous square. Okay, chain 3, 3 double crochet again. So we're repeating the same thing until we reach the top again, then I'll start closing the square. Okay, this is not good. And then again okay, and here my last slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet, okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then the last one to make. And after that, after this last row, we'll start closing. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 2, 3, 4, double crochet, double crochet and double crochet, okay. Slip stitch, chain 3 and 3 double crochet, oops, slip stitch, chain 3, oops, 3 double crochet, slip stitch, chain 3 and 3 double crochet, slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet, oops, 3, and then slip stitch. And here what we're gonna do, we're not forming any more squares. I will turn back, and now we're starting to close the square. So I've got here 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like the previous one. Now to close the square, what I need to do, I'm gonna slip stitch in every stitch. So insert my hook into the first stitch in front of my hook and slip stitch, pull through the hook, pull through both loops, same, and into the space, slip stitch and chain 3, 3 double crochet. Slip stitch and again 3 double crochet. Slip stitch, 3 double crochet, slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And then again at the end, slip stitch and turn. We'll do the same as we did before. Slip stitch in every stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and chain 3. We'll keep doing the same in every corner till we totally close the square. Again we repeat the same thing in the spaces, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Chain 3, oops, 3 double crochet, and slip stitch and turn again. You see how the square is closing, just to our left, and we'll be done. stitch and turn, slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch and slip stitch. This is the last round. Okay, and the second square is completed. So this is how you join as you go and you work your next square. You're gonna do this for the entire project. It might be a little confusing or seems difficult, but if you go step by step and you follow how it's done, the only tricky thing is joining here and how to chain the next foundation square. Otherwise everything is easy completing the other squares. I hope this was helpful and I hope you'll try your next project doing this. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.